Hello friends, today our lesson is how we can import and export file and how we can export graphics as a PNG, PDF and how we can save our session and retrieve our session. So let's start. First of all is the how we can working directory. We have discussed that in our previous video, but I shortly explain here. For working directory, you have to open the folders where, for example, I have a data in data underscore folder. Right click that folders, and in any file you have to click open that window and click on properties. In properties, you have to copy the location of that folders and paste it in set wd set working directory and paste here. But you have to change backward slash into front slash, as R do not work in backward slash, so you have to change that. And that setting that your working directory will be established, and your R software know that where is the data file. I have to import that files. Next step is import of files. So R can import file as Excel file and as CSV file. In Excel file you have many sheets, so you have to specify the sheet. For that, data underscore carton is equal to read underscore function, and you have to data underscore plot dot xlx files, that is the Excel file. Sheet is equal to data underscore plot. I see you that is the our Excel file. You can right click on the property, and here you can see that type of the file is .xlsx files. And if we open that file, you can see that the Excel file has more sheets, data underscore plot, factors and levels and points. So what sheet we want to import, so we would write down the name of sheet as .xlx is the sheet types. I show you that, and sheet name is data underscore plot. So you have to specify the sheet name when you are importing data from Excel sheet. While second one is the CSV file. Data underscore carton is the name what you can give the name. It's no problem, you can give any name to file. Then is the read dot underscore CSV file, that is the functions, and data underscore plot. I show you that that is our CSV file, and CSV file has contain only one sheet, so you do not need to specify the name of sheet here. So you just data underscore plot dot CSV. So difference between Excel file and the main difference between Excel file and CSV file is the sheet name. So you have to specify sheet name in Excel file, but you do not need to specify the sheet name in CSV file. As you clear that CSV has only one sheet, so you do not need to say. And n is equal to missing value. R will neglect all missing values in the data, so you do not need to specify. You just need to write n is equal to commas and triple stars. So R will exclude all missing values from your data. It will not give you any errors if you write that commands. So you can import Excel file and you can import CSV file. In this way, now you can export. When you have done your working, you calculated mean, you calculated standard deviation. Now you want to explore export CSV file. So write.csv is the function, tuki.s is the original name of your file, and file is equal to tuki underscore ms1.csv. That is the new name you want to give your file. If you want to keep original name, it's okay. Then you have to specify what type of file you want to export. .csv code is equal to frow, dot name is equal to f. That means they both are false, so you do not want to give any row names. So that way you can export as a CSV file. Write dot CSV tuki.s is the old name, file is your tuki._ms1.csv is the new name. So you can export CSV file in this way. And now you want to export Excel file. So Excel file, write dot xlx and is the function, data frame 1 is the original name of the file, and file name dot xly is the new name of the file. Then is the sheet name. As you show that you see that Excel has more sheets, so you have to give here sheet name, row dot name remain false. So you can export CSV single file, Excel as single. If you want multiple sheet in one Excel file, so you can write first sheet as write.xlx data frame file is equal to file name dot xls sheet name, that is same as you write for single Excel sheet, but when you write second sheet name is equal to sheet 2 and appended is equal to true, that is the extra. So you have to write that, you have to write this thing as extra in second sheet. So in multiple sheet you have to write.csv data frame file is equal to file name dot xlx sheet is equal to sheet 1 row dot name is false. But when you want to import second sheet in same Excel files, you have to add appended is equal to true. That is a way you can import a CSV file, and you can import a single Excel file, and you can import multiple sheets in one single file. Now if you want to change the folder of your saving CSV file, export file or graphics, so you can change the location of your file saving positions. You do not want to change in the working directory you have developed, you want to save in new folders, so you can do that. Write.csv, you can write as write.csv list p.value val is the name of file, file is equal to you, there is the new location of folder where you want to save your file. At the end you can write p_table.csv is the new name of that files. Now how you can export graphic, you can export graphic as ggsaveplot.pdf. If you want to save it as a PDF, you can specify the width and height of your graphic. Then if you want to export graphic as PNG, you can do that ggsaveplot.png and width is equal to 5 and height is equal to 5. If you want multiple graphics, as you see that we have combined different graphics, graphics, plant height, number of balls and ball weight into 3 graphic into one files. So you can do that. You can see that we have combined 3 graphic, plant height, number of balls and ball weight, 3 graphic into one files. So you can do this by this command PDF file is equal to weather underscore, that is the file name you want to produce. You can specify the height, width, and as you want to say one file and family, font size, font theme and point size, and grid dot arrange and grid dot arrange is the functions, and here is the name of graphic you have produces. I have two graphic, p dot train, p dot temperature. I want number of rows 2. So in this way we can produce combine different graphics into one PDF file. Next is the how we can save sessions. We have launched sessions. We have developed more 100 and 200 lines commands in hours. Now we want to save that for save this session for next. So we can save our R session. Save it into a list is equal to ls all is equal to true, and file here is the location where we want to save our sessions. Next is the load file. If we want to load this file in future and in other other script, so we can load this save session. That session you can name at the end session 1 and session 2, and you can specify any name to that session. So in our today lessons we try to learn how we can import files as Excel files, CSV file, and how we can export CSV Excel file, and import of Excel multiple Excel sheet into one Excel files, and then we can change the location of our new files. We can save our file in new folders. So that's why you have to specify the new locations, and you can save your file in a new folders, and you can export your graphic as PDF, PNG, and you can combine different graphic into one file. That is the main requirement for publications, that you cannot publish multiple graphic as separately. You have to combine different graphic into file, and then you can save long session, and you can retrieve that long session. So thank you for watching this video. Please keep in touch with our channel, so you can update with the new our videos. Thank you.